Okay, so let's talk about the next big, huge potential airdrop on Solana. Now this one blowing up. It's called Sanctum. Sanctum, I hope I pronounce well. If you go to DeFi Llama, okay, go on Solana. This is the great, one of the best place you must visit for all the information you need. You will see it's number 5, okay, over $517 million invested in the TVL, over 500 in the 1 month change. They grow up for 356%. Look, all the chains, Gito, Marinate, Camino, Radium, okay, it's going to get over Radium, everything, even more than Orca, so many, over 500 million. This one is blowing up, so don't come here after many weeks. This is fresh, this is new, this is what you need to do. This one I'm doing again. Make sure you understand that also nothing is financial advice. Do your research, only risk capital, okay? Because we don't know what's going to happen. Now you need to have some Solana to stake here. Now what's happening is, first when you click the link, go to Wonderland. So go to Wonderland, use a Phantom wallet, okay, connect it, go to Wonderland, connect, and very important, this one, it is very important to add my code only if you want, okay? Use my code, I'll be highly appreciate DY1QWI, okay? This will be in the, this code will be down in the description, okay? You go there and you go join now. Are you using Ledger? Yes, I'm using Ledger, all right? Or no and no. And then if you use a Ledger, you need to confirm on your Ledger. Okay, so let me go and maybe later. Okay, and then once you go to Wonderland, what you need to go to trade. When you go to trade, you need to get any of these tokens. Okay, simple as that. All the information are explained, everything right here. Okay, so now does buying an LST using Sol means staking into LST? Yes, buying the LST means so, but the good stuff here is wherever you buy, you earning more points, more tokens, higher return you can get. Also, everything what you're staking is liquid, okay? So what I did is, let me just change my account. So what I did is, here you will see, 381,000 points right here. That's what I did. Why? Because if you go to Wonderland, I already have Sanctum pets. Okay, I'm owning pets. So I have INF. So this is the big one with everybody jumping. Also Jupiter Sol, but this is the big one. And now everybody jumping to Bonk. Okay, let me just zoom out to BonkSol. This is what I'm going to do live on the video. Then you have here many of them. You want to choose whatever you want, but for me, this is the one. When you put Sol, you get this token, you hold, and then you exchange the token back to Sol, whatever you want, even now. Okay, so it's all liquid. So if you go to trade, so first go to Wonderland, get registered, use my code please only if you want, get registered, go to trade, and then make sure you have some Solana, and then pick up wherever you want. You have Infinity, you can see I have 8 Infinity, Jupiter Sol, but I don't have BonkSol, so I want to go Bonk. Okay, so and make sure you put at least 1 Sol. Okay, I have 1.2 Sol. I'm going to put 1.24, so 1.22, 1.23. There we go. Okay, and then you need to have some money left, by the way. Okay, Infinity Sol. Okay, I'll put 1.1. It is always ask you to have some money. Make sure you use a Ledger or any hardware wallet. Make sure you use a hardware wallet. Again, also use a new account. Don't connect with anything else just for this. That's about it, just to be safe. Then go buy Bonk. Then confirm in your wallet. Okay, confirming. And that's about it. You don't need to do anything else. BonkSol will be available in your wallet, and if you want to exchange back, complete it. There we go. That's about it. Okay, and if you want to exchange back, okay, go to trade. Sorry, go here and just change back. There we go. You're going 1.098, so you're losing few cents. Okay, simple. So it's liquid, you can exchange anything back. Now what is this, how it's working? I will don't put the video for that because it's going to take like 5-10 more minutes, but I just want to bring this to you now. It's hot and it's growing like crazy. This is the best time to accumulate more points right now. Don't come here in 2-3 months, because in 2-3 months I'm going to have around 380,000, probably going to have few million, I hope so. Because more people come, less points we get, simple as that. Alright, so that's about it. I hope it was helpful. Hope we can make some good airdrop in the next few months time. And when the bull market kicked off and this one is kicked off, well, happy days for everybody. And also only risk capital, still it's crypto. Love you all. See you in the next one. Goodbye.